In this video, I'm deep diving in Alexia store. He spent money over the Google display ads, Meta, and TikTok ads. So let's get started. Practically, the store name is Aheli. The total product of this store is 6,900. The first product ad in this store is January 11, 2024. And the newest product ad in this store is June 4, 2025 in region Hubar KC. So the monthly visitor of the customer this store is a 25,454, and device distribution this store is a desktop 24.9% customer come from desktop, and mobile web is 75.05. At the page visitor 3.414, the page visitor of the store is a bonus rate is 49.42%, and duration is a 1.18. So visitor over time. So 25,554 years somewhere. Well, now the visitor, let's back some bit. Okay. So the geography of this trip is engagement 100% KSA because they sell and KSA based. Their approach 100% customer come as KSA. And marketing channel 30.21% customer directly come. And organic 51.59% customer organic very well. And paid 8.80%. And referral 5.4 and display 8. 1.50% customer come from display ads. Organic search. So the top reporting website. What is top websites? This means top website sending directly click to the selected website and include percentage in indicating the share of the total traffic or a month and change. So these are the website traffic directly come from third party. Top link are outgoing traffics. Top link destination at Trendle.com. So this is the 100%, 59.11% customer count, and social traffic is social. So display advertisement. This store, this store spend money or the Google display network. So top publisher, and this is Google, YouTube. They 100% spend money over the Google display ads. Thank you very much.